Now, it is in these times that innovation happens the most, Mr. Sarao, right? So where people are saying, let's experiment with newer ideas, let's not waste a crisis in a way. What kinds of innovations did you get to experiment?
So I'll be again very truthful. Innovation was forced. So you suddenly went one fine morning, you given half a day and said, lockdown, work from home.
Correct.
So the team rallied behind it and we were able to export so much of sugar from the port, run our factories, sell our sugar. Last May, I remember in the month of May, the peak of the pandemic last year, we sold our highest ever quantity of sugar in a month almost.
Wow.
So the team rallied behind the objective. Everybody was, sort of learned to work in their given circumstances. Everybody did a great job.
Very nice.
So it was learning on job. So that is a reverse innovation, I would say. That tells you what you're capable of.
True.
And including me, I'm no qualms in admitting that I'm that old world fellow, not so good with technology. But if I needed to, I did it.
Correct. Absolutely. So it's forced you to go ahead and adopt technology, move fast, actually, in a way.
And our entire teams did it. Our entire teams did it. We made payments and got payments worth hundreds of crores in this period.
Very nice. Very nice.
Entire team at the corporate office, at the factory, everywhere, beginning from the labor who loaded the sugar bags or the labor who cut the cane.
True.
Right from the person who received the money in the bank. I mean, the entire chain. They rallied behind the business.
Very nice. Very nice.
And they all realized, including me, what we could do.
Very good. Which means that, I mean, when there is a force upon us, we don't hesitate to change.
And it tells us actually what we are capable of. So it just sort of told all of us, including me, and I shared with everyone, I said, guys, let's see what we are capable of. Yesterday, we feel we are capable of 100 units, or we have 100 horsepower within us. When pushed to the wall, you realize you have 200.
Exactly.
So let's always realize that we have 200 in us. So it's motivational, to say the least. More than innovation, it's been motivational.
Wonderful. In fact,
while
you are talking, I just get reminded of something that I read a few days back, where there was somebody researching on the strongest man on earth. And they Googled it, they found, and they interviewed this person to find out he's the Iron Man, triathlon, everything, right? And they said, what is your secret? He said, 40% is my secret. They asked him, what is this 40%? He said, when your mind says you have done it, right? You are tired. That means you have actually used up only 40% of your capacity.
So true. So true.
Absolutely.
So that's what we realize. But
Wonderful.
Given our normal circumstances, we don't realize. We need to realize that.
True. Which means that your aspirations has gone up as well from your leaders and what the business can go ahead and achieve, right?
More than aspiration, self-respect.
Definitely.
I think each person's self-respect for his own being has moved up.
Correct.
And that moving up, you move up as a human being. You move up as a leader.
That is true.
You move up as a team member.
Correct.